Chapter 2. Rainforest Layers. Tropical rainforests have layers. The top layer is the emergent layer. The tops of the tallest trees are in this layer. It's very windy. Eagles and bats live here. The next layer is the canopy. The big branches and leaves of the tall trees are here. There are many types of animal in this layer because there's light and lots of food. Monkeys and toucans live in the canopy. The next layer is the understory. The tops of the small trees are in this layer. It's dark and hot. Jaguars and tree frogs live here. The bottom layer is the forest floor. The roots of the trees are in this layer. Many insects live on the forest floor. Some big animals like anteaters live here too. They eat the insects.
Discover!
The kapok tree is one of the tallest rainforest trees. It can grow up to 70 meters tall.